They're best friends for life, you're best friends for life. And if you get in their way, they'll stab you with a knife. A knife, a knife, a knife, a knife for life.